Hi guys, rather fancy making this tonight while I'm sitting here doing stuff on my computer. Is that in focus? I think it is. I've got my creaky chair in the background. Yeah, okay, picked this up in a charity shop, cost me 99p. Should only take a few minutes to put it together. Right. If we can work out which bit's which. I don't see numbers on them. Oh yes we do. Huh, I'm looking at the wrong side. Right, numbers in red. 1. One, 3, 4. Where's number 2? Oh, don't say we got a piece missing. Oh, come on. Surely not. Oh, number 2 is the motor. Oh. Right. So, number 2, is it the motor? Yeah, it must be. Number 2 is the motor. Number 1. Number 1. I see. Number 2 goes in there, in that little gap. 1, 2, 3. 3. I saw 3 over here. 3. 3. That little slot there must be for there. Is it? I think it is. Really? Okay, 3, 4. That way up. So that's got to go through there. Really? Try that again. Got my fingers in the way, you can't see what I'm doing, but you can now. Okay, so that's 1, 2, 3, 4. Piece number 5. No way I can do this without getting my hand in front of the camera. Okay, that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6 slides down here. 6 dashboard. So that goes that way up. Oh, right hand drive. Yeah. That's a bit odd. That's the steering wheel goes on there. And yet the dials are on the other side. That's a bit odd. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 7 is the seat. Over here. Eight is the steering wheel. Nine, bonnet. Nine. Oh, it's got a bend in it as well. Double bend in it. Slide that bit in first. Yeah, fold over there and then fold over. Those little holes got to come out. I've got to have something I can poke it out with. Oh, that'll do. Oh, I like that. That went over nicely. 10 covers the engine compartment. This bit, similar to the way the bonnet folds over. So it's going to go the other way. Like that, so that goes. Yep. Got to be another piece yet, isn't there? Oh, the sides. So that was 11. 12 and 13 are the sides. 13, 12. It's got a bit to poke out as well. Do we push the windows out? Yeah, looks like we do. Yep. Same on the other side. Check we're not getting ahead of ourselves. No, we're okay. So up under there, in there, in there. Didn't quite go all the way up. That's better. Looking good. So that was 12, 13, 14 goes. 14 goes where? Underneath somewhere. Oh, right across the bottom, across there. Yep. $15. How can we tell the difference between... They look identical, don't they? And these for the front wheels. Oh, yeah, that went in okay. Just slides up. Oh, I like that. And these wheels go on the back. They're keyed, they've got little bits they have to line up with, which I don't want to do. I could do with a bit of light on there, really. Right, that one's gone on okay. Can't see if that's lined up or not. Yeah, it went in. It didn't. Thought it did. I can't quite see what I'm doing. I'm going to have to move a bit. Can't get that one to go in. I'll just check there isn't a difference between the back and the front. Can't see any difference. That's better. That's gone in. Right, put that one back on there. Put that back in there. And it has pullback action, as it says. I can't speak the language. Met track op effect. With pullback effect. So, pullback. Yep, it works. Oops, sorry. Yeah. Complete success. 17.5 minutes. Oh, I'd be very pleased with that if I was given that as a little present to pass the time. Manufactured by Zebra AS, Copenhagen. www.flyingtiger.com. Made in China. Thanks for watching. If you want more information, check down below in the video description. If you like this video, you might like this one up here. And if you want to subscribe, you can check out my channel over here. Up here is my latest video on my channel, and down here is a video playlist associated with the video you've just watched. Thanks again for watching.